Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Today is the 6th day of Panchakarma and we are following the same things. We are taking bath, applying oil in our bodies, sesame oil, and then we are continuing eating Kichri. We are missing actually other foods, especially I'm missing juicy fruits, but somehow because we are keeping ourselves engaged and we both are doing, it's easier for us. If my husband wants to eat something else, I will remind him, no, this is Panchakarma. And if I want to eat something else, my husband will remind me that you came until this time, so I better do it. So for the last 3 days, we are facing purification process. Those of you who came until now, you may be understanding yourselves, what's going on with yourself. So this 3 days of eating ghee and applying oil and eating Kichri is actually working. It would be better, of course, if you do for 1 month this process. But even if it is short, 9 days thing and 3 days of drinking ghee, it's still working. Ghee is really powerful. Panchakarma time is a time when you have to relax down everything and don't do so much of active exercises. You can do some asanas. It's basically a peaceful time when you have to focus more on internal things like meditation, chanting your japa, reading Srimad Bhagavatam. So it's a good time for those kind of activities. And I'm very much interested on those of you who are really following this process and day by day what changes you are facing. Though we are missing other foods, after we eat Kichri, we feel like, so much satisfied. Kichri is such a tasty food that it satisfies the hunger, and we can adjust for 9 days. Hare Krishna.